Hey everyone, welcome back. The last video has been a while because it's summer and I was busy crashing on my bike, but I got an Bambu Lab A1 printer. I'm Andy, this is ATL, and let's check out the printer. The assembly is done, as you can see. It was really easy, so no problems on that side. And now the question, why did I get an A1 combo unit? I want to do multi-material prints. I did two in the past, but with manual filament changes, and this is very exhausting. You can see the two parts I printed here. These are face plates for two Clone Hero or Guitar Hero controller. And now with the A1 and the AMS, I can do that easier. And as you could see, the AMS is not installed right now. And what is a 3D printer with some upgrades? So let me show you what I prepared. I plan to mount the AMS unit on top of the printer, so the printer has a smaller footprint. And for that I printed these two braces and also these clamps. They get connected with these braces when they are on the printer like this. These are printed in ASA with carbon fibers. That's the filament I had on hand. And for the actual top mount of the AMS, there is this part. This is not the original one from Bambu Labs themselves. This is a remix from one of the community members. This just saves a lot of filament and you don't need to use any screws except for the AMS itself, and this is a clamp for it to secure it in place. In addition to the braces for the left and the right side, I printed these two parts. These are for the stock filament holder, so you can put it on this side here and don't have the stock filament holder on top of the printer. And the last two parts for now. What do you need if you print with multiple materials? Of course, a poop chute, because the printer swaps filaments and poops a lot. So I printed this one. This is here a shorter version, so it is compatible with the braces for the AMS top mount. And so that the poop don't get shot everywhere, I also printed a small deflector that gets attached. Now let's put the upgrades on the printer. The upgrades are on the printer, as you can see, top mount for the AMS light, and as well the stiffener and the additional filament holder. And I don't like how this cable is hanging here, so I quickly took a look on MakerWorld and found a clip which I will fit right now, and an additional one for the cable for the extruder. The printer is done with all the mods I showed you before, and I also did an additional mod, this one right here. So the printhead has a little pin here which he bumps against the remote, and the phone which is connected with the remote takes a picture. I used the setup for some time-lapse recordings I will show you right now. All the mods worked out really nice. I already printed about 100 hours with the printer. The setup was really easy, all the calibration worked fine, and I will now show you some of the prints I did. These are some of the prints I did. I mainly printed planter and vases, as you can see here. These are all my design, so I got this stone marble white bottom and a colorful top, and yeah, as you can see, the quality is really nice. You can see a little bit of ringing on the red one here, but other than that, really nice print quality. These two here are vases in which acrylic tube gets inserted, and then you can use this as a vase and even put some water in so the plants or the flowers stay alive longer. I'm really happy with the printer. There have been 0 fails this far, but as I already told you, I only printed 100 hours with the machine. Let me know in the comments down below what you think of the printer. If you liked the video, make sure you hit like and subscribe, and also hit the bell so you get notified when a new video drops. Till next time, thank you for watching and bye.